Do you feel that chill? Today, we are making a coffin bag. Yes, you heard me right. This bag is going to be shaped like a coffin, fashioned so weird, it is practically undead.
I'm officially passing my boundary. I am someone who hides her face when passing by a coffin shop. Here I am building one. Hey God, I was whispering blood of Jesus the whole time I was sewing. It's spooky, it's superstitious, but the final look is a masterpiece. Mwah.
When your fashion kills, your bag should too. So tell me, what do you think about today's bag? Would you carry a coffin bag to a party? Or is this one strictly for the bold people? Drop your comments now. Tomorrow, we're switching things up again. Let's just say it might get a little dangerous.